Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Simply Chyna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something really different. I got inspired by the Cardi B and Thee Stallion WAP music video to do this neon eye look, and you guys, I feel like it came out bomb, but you guys will be the judge of that. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification button down below so you guys can know what videos I have in store for you guys also. So we're gonna get into it. As you can see, I'm already prepping my brows. I kind of just started the video already prepping my brows, and I already go into what I use, but I'll explain it again. I'm using my ANASTASIA Beverly Hills in the color chocolate to get my brows on nice and ready to go. And basically, you guys, I'm just gonna describe to you what basically I'm gonna be doing in this tutorial. So originally I just, I heard the song obviously with Cardi and Megan, and I was like, okay, because you guys know how I feel. Like, y'all know I'm a Nicki supporter OD, but I really felt this song was like doing something. Like, it was definitely doing something. So the one thing that I really enjoyed about the song was the music video. And when I saw the scene where they were kind of wearing like a purple and green situation, I was like, oh my gosh, like that was just so cute. So I decided to take it up a notch and challenge myself to do a inspired eye look off of the video, and I even took it to the moon and back by making it be a neon eye tutorial. So yes, the shadows that I'm going to be using are pigments that I got from Amazon, which I'll post down below. The pigments do glow in the dark, so if you guys are looking for a kind of glow in the dark eyeshadow look, you guys are going to make sure to get that achieved look by using these pigments. These pigments, like I said, they really do the work, and you guys are gonna see. So I'm gonna just kind of let the video talk for itself, and you guys can see how I apply the pigments, what I end up doing, and all that jazz. And I really hope you guys truly enjoy this video, because it was definitely different from what I normally do. It was kind of like a reaction / makeup inspired kind of concept that made me want to do this look. So like I said, I hope you guys truly enjoy, and don't forget to comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Thank you again for watching.
Understand it, I'm a fucking bandit.
If you wanted to, these expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe. My pussy hates, I'm like, okay. I let him get what he want. He thought me East Saint Laurent and the new whip.
Alrighty you guys, so this is the end result. I'm just gonna apply these lashes. I didn't get a chance to show you guys how I put my foundation on because my camera battery died. However, it is the same method that I do in all of my videos, so definitely check those out. And I'm gonna show you guys how the glow in the dark effect looks with the light, and I'm gonna show you with the UV light on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. CC out.
I can get 'em both. I don't